cinnamon spice, and everything nice. That's where we're going today. Prepare yourself for the ultimate spice cookie. These are really good. I think I need a glass of milk now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake. If you're new to the channel and you love to bake and cook, you've come to the right place for recipes, tips, and techniques. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Hi everyone, today is National Cookie Day. What a holiday. So in honor of this cookie holiday, I'm going to be making and sharing the recipe with you for my Vermont Spice Cookie. This is actually a recipe handed down to me from my mom. She started me out baking when I was about 5 years old. I make these cookies every year. They are definitely a Christmas tradition in this household. Let's start off by creaming our unsalted butter and sugar. Our egg and molasses come next. Now let's add our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour here. I'm going to add our baking soda and our salt. Never wants to come out. And this is a mixture of cinnamon, ginger, and clove. This packs the punch. These spices, along with the molasses, killer. So as you might be able to see, this dough is a pretty wet dough, and what we do, or what I do, to give the cookie its awesomeness is I take, this is my small cookie scoop, and I take about this much and I plop it down into some sugar and I roll it around like that, and then I put it on the cookie sheet. These cookies will spread out and form a nice thin cookie that's crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. This first batch of cookies is definitely ready for the oven. I'm going to bake them at 325 degrees for about 14 minutes. For our next batch going in the oven, I wanted to do a little experiment. I've been experimenting this week. I did a chocolate chip cookie experiment, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But this is sparkling sugar. It's like a decorative sugar. And what I wanted to do, instead of rolling the entire cookie in granulated sugar, I just wanted to kind of top it in this sparkling sugar and see what we get. Just want to see if it adds anything, if it comes out more glamorous. We'll see. They look really pretty. So welcome back. Both sets of cookies are done, and I just want to show them to you. This is our tried and true Vermont Spice Cookie that I normally do, rolling it in granulated sugar. This was the experiment where I dipped it, just the top, in sparkling sugar. What do you notice? What I notice is the cookie I dipped in the sparkling sugar is darker, and both these cookies, it's supposed to be a flat cookie, but it's even flatter, and I'm wondering if it was the weight of the sparkling sugar. And you'll also notice on the back, this is my cookie that I dipped in granulated sugar, and this is what I dipped, just the top, in sparkling sugar. So a little bit of a difference there as far as the darkness also on the back of this cookie. So I want to get a second opinion on this. So you might remember Michael from our chocolate chip cookie experiment, which I told you about earlier. So what do you think?
I think these look kind of melted.
They do look melted.
But they're softer. I can just feel it. You can hold it by the edge. You can
These are the ones that are in the sparkling sugar.
You can feel them kind of drooping. Where these are more like British biscuits. I get the feeling that if I pressed them, it would snap like a biscuit.
Now, These cookies aren't like your typical, when you hear Christmas cookie, it's not the decorated, glamorous cookie that you're thinking of. But what this cookie lacks in decoration, it sure makes up in flavor. So let's taste. Want to taste?
Okay.
This is this is my Vermont Spice cookie that I normally make during the holidays.
Crisp top and bottom and chewy in the middle.
Chewy in the middle. This is exactly how it should be. I'm going to put this cookie down for a moment. Let's taste the cookie that I dipped in the sparkling sugar. Okay. It's chewier. I will give it that.
Nowhere near as crisp.
Nowhere near as crisp, I agree. But it's like so thin. I mean, really thin.
Mm.
I don't know if I'm a fan.
I don't get as much flavor out of this one either.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I thought this would turn out to be, you know, give it a little extra oomph as far as aesthetics. But I'm not a fan. So I'm going to hold these up again. Which, you know, what do you think? I want to know what you think. Put your opinion in the comments. I wish you could taste them because they are delicious. But I have to go with my tried and true. Remember, this is my mother's recipe handed down to me. So I don't really want to deviate from tradition.
Thanks, Betsy.
These are really good.
Mm-hmm.
I think I need a glass of milk now. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.